Good morning, everyone. To our very supportive and very able district focal person, Dr. Joel Pilti. Our dynamic, supportive, energetic, and jolly teacher in charge, Mrs. Mary Ruth Astudillo, ma'am. Our very active barangay officials, headed by Barangay Captain Charles Tucadano. Federated PTA officers, headed by Mrs. Clara Cadjo. School heads, dedicated teachers, proud parents, distinguished guests of honors and speaker, and most especially to our dear graduates and awardees. Today, we celebrate achievements, perseverance, and the bright future that awaits our learners. On this special occasion, it is my great honor to introduce our guest of speaker, a man whose life journey reflects the very values we hope our learners will carry with them. Hard work, determination, love for family, and service to the community. Our guest speaker was born on July 4, 1968 in Santiago City, Isabela. To his loving parents, Mr. Vicente Labrador and Mrs. Remedios Labrador. From them, he learned the importance of perseverance, humility, and dedication, values that shape the person he is today. He grew up together with his siblings Rolando, Cecilia, Richard, Maria Leia, and Elizabeth, forming a family grounded in strong values and support for one another. Like many of us, his journey began with simple dreams. He understood early in life that education is one of the greatest tools for success. He completed his elementary education at Turin Elementary School in 1982 and his secondary education at ICA in 1986. Determined to continue learning and improving himself, he pursued Bachelor of Secondary Education at the National College Business Arts in 1990 and later he enrolled Computer Technology at ISPSC Santa Maria in the year 2000. His educational journey reflects his strong belief that learning never stops. Beyond education, he worked diligently in various fields, both locally and abroad, gaining valuable life experiences. Yet, despite his many roles and responsibilities, one of the most meaningful parts of his life is being a loving father to Alan Labrador, who continues to inspire him to strive for the best. He began his professional journey as a production attendant at Tanduay Distillers from 1986 to 1987. He later worked as a machine operator at a can factory in Quezon City from 1987 to 1990. Seeking greater opportunities abroad, he worked in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia as a document controller from 1990 to 1994. Aside from his professional career, he also dedicated his time to public service, serving the community as Barangay Kagawad of Barangay Bulanos, Narbacali, Ilocos Sur from 1994 to 1997 and again from 2008 to 2014. His leadership and commitment to the community proved that true leadership is about serving others and making a positive difference in people's lives. He also shared his voice and insights with the community through media as a radio reporter at DWRS. Today, he continues this mission as a radio anchorman at DCNS, where he actively delivers news and information that keep the public informed and aware of important issues and community developments. Allow me now to share the essence of who he is through the letters of his name, Alexis. A man of aspiration who believes that dreams can be achieved through determination and perseverance. L, a loving son and father whose strong family values guide his decisions in life. E, an educated and enlightened individual who values learning as a pathway to growth and success. X, an experienced worker whose journey across different careers and places strengthened his character. I, an inspirational leader who served his community with dedication and sincerity. S, a servant-hearted citizen committed to helping others and contributing to the betterment of society. Dear graduates and awardees, the life story of our guest speaker reminds us that success is not always a straight path. It is built through courage, perseverance, faith, and the support of family and community. As you celebrate your achievements today, may his story inspire you to dream big, value your education, honor your family, and use your talents to serve others. Ladies and gentlemen, with great pride and pleasure, let us warmly welcome our inspiring guest of honor and speaker, Mr. Alexis Cadano Labrador. Sir.